Embrace yourself. The biggest quality of a real Sigma male is that he can go to any extent to improve himself. They hunt their goals until they achieve them. They don't seek comfort or peace. Their hunger to make themselves successful is so intense that it doesn't let them live in peace. They work on themselves most of the time. Avoid unnecessary talks, and don't socialize with people who don't matter. They stop meeting useless people. Don't attend worthless parties or social functions. They don't care where their friends went or who did what. Their only inspiration is themselves and their life. A real Sigma male understands that silence is power. He prefers to live in peace, away from noise, as his identity is like a lone wolf. He is a solo traveler, who makes his own path. He doesn't like the chatter of many people, and avoids arguing to prove a point. If someone isn't doing their job, he takes responsibility and finishes it himself. That's why Sigma males speak less, but when they do, they shake everyone up. Every word they speak is carefully thought out. They are not extroverted leaders like alphas, who influence people with powerful speeches. A Sigma male's real strength lies in his actions, not his words. He listens, observes, and acts in silence. If you want to understand the real power of silence and make it your strength, watch our video. It will make you powerful. Sigma males respect everyone equally, regardless of gender. This makes them stand apart from alphas and betas. While alphas seek to dominate everyone, Sigmas know how to protect. Simply put, Sigma males don't care about gender. For them, everyone is equal. You won't see them waiting for a girl or offering her a seat, as they don't consider women as special creatures deserving extra importance. They talk to women with the same respect as anyone else and never put themselves down. They don't fear powerful people nor oppress weaker ones. Instead, they help them. In short, they are like our Indian Army soldiers, strong and helpful, ready for any situation. Sigma males are highly resilient. No matter how difficult a situation they are put in, they come out of it without any pain or trouble. This is because they have a poker face attitude. Whether the situation is exciting or depressing, their mind remains calm. No matter how much you try to break them externally, or apply physical or mental pressure, they stay calm and strong inside. In chapter 2, verse 15 of the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna told Arjuna that the most successful person in this world is the one who remains the same in times of joy and sorrow, and only such a person finds the path to liberation. Look at Ms. Dhoni, Thomas Shelby, Steve Jobs, Bruce Lee, or Keanu Reeves. These are the kind of people who never lose themselves, even in difficult situations. They patiently observe everything and solve problems even in panic situations. A real Sigma male's true test comes in tough times. In an open field, when the enemy stands with a full army, and there's no way to escape, no weapon in hand, no strength to fight, yet you stand tall and fight till your last breath without begging for help. That is a real Sigma. Just as in the jungle, the alpha lion is considered the king, there is also the Sigma tiger, whom everyone equally fears. In a wolf pack, the alpha is the leader, while the lone wolf is a Sigma. Due to their leadership abilities, alphas have advantages, such as an army of beta males. In contrast, Sigmas fight alone. If an alpha and a Sigma were to fight one-on-one, they would equally challenge each other. If you are a male and want to live an extraordinary life, you need to shed the beta male label and become a Sigma male. To establish your place in the power hierarchy, there are some rules you must follow as a Sigma male. The first rule is, don't pretend to be a Sigma. Many people try to be alpha males first, and when they fail, they pretend to be Sigma males. These fake Sigma males are actually beta males, who sit in their rooms all day, playing video games, procrastinating on their goals, and feeling anxious when talking to girls. Yet, they act as if they are ignoring the girls. They boast to their friends about being Sigma males, but real Sigma males never make such pretenses. A tiger living in the jungle never makes noise. It doesn't go in front of the alpha lion and shout that it's a tiger and deserves respect. The alpha lion knows that the Sigma tiger is there and respects it. So, stop showing off and pretending to be a Sigma. The day you truly become one, people will recognize it on their own. Calling yourself a Sigma only diminishes your value. Remember this second rule. Sigma males are gender neutral. The biggest misconception is that being a Sigma male means dominating women, younger children, or weaker individuals. This behavior is characteristic of weak beta males. Today, you can find many short videos on social media where men disrespect or physically harm women and are labeled as Sigma males. Disrespecting or hurting weaker individuals is something any male can do. A real Sigma male is someone whom people, whether men or women, think twice before speaking against. A Sigma is always ready to face men, and never spends the whole day lying on the bed looking at their phone. This video is strictly for males, especially those who have the courage to hear the truth. Many of you might find our words very harsh, and it's possible that we will receive a lot of hate in the comments section of this video. However, we are determined to expose how the concept of the Sigma male has been misrepresented by various big YouTubers and influencers. Sigma males are, in reality, very unique and one of the rarest breeds of men. Only 0.1% of males are true Sigma males. However, the internet and social media have made this concept so common that everyone has started to believe they are Sigma males. If you also think that you are a Sigma male, then you probably don't really understand what a true Sigma is. Originally, males were divided into two categories: alpha males and beta males. Beta males were followers who would quietly follow any orders given to them. The ones giving these orders were alpha males, who ruled with their leadership abilities, high confidence, and no-nonsense attitude. But as society evolved, people realized that there is a third category of males who live in the shadows. These men are neither alpha nor beta, and they needed their own category, the Sigma males. Sigma males possess all the qualities of alpha males, but never lead anyone. Like betas, they remain silent but never follow anyone. They create their own world and live in it. In the power hierarchy, alpha males have always been at the top, followed by beta males. The question arises, where do Sigma males fit in this hierarchy? The answer is nowhere, because Sigma males create their own hierarchy, where they stand alone with no one around them.